Going on, guys? Just gonna do a little personal break here of 1617 SPA. As you can see, test our luck here. So we got a sealed box. See what kind of autos or future watches we get. Oh, nice little doll. Haven't opened much of this product myself. Opened maybe a couple boxes here and there, but not a whole lot of this product. It's a little on the pricey side, like my little bit cheaper stuff. Series 1 is always fun. Alright, so here we go. Let's do this. First pack. See what we can find in here. Like I said, I haven't opened much of this. I haven't opened it in a while, so let's see what we can get. Alright. Start with a nice Spectrum with Johnny Gaudreau. Not bad. A couple more base cards. So I'm going to go after the hits after, guys. Just going to open up the packs, get them going. See what we can find in here. Sorry, the camera just keeps getting all out of focus. There we go. Alright, see what we can get in the second pack. We got a season highlights, Tuukka Rask. That's all we got there. Future watches are always really nice to pull. See what we can, see which ones we get. Got an update. Brandon Peary. Oh, that's alright. We'll get all these slower hits out of the way, except for the Spectrum that came out of the first pack. Let's see what else we find in here. Just opened a box of Series 1. Got the rest of my Leaf Young Guns I've been searching for. Oh, it looks like we got our first one. What do we got? Tyler Mote. Not too bad. $8.85 out of $9.99. He's got a nice autograph at least. That's not bad. A couple more base cards. Yeah, that's not bad. I was hoping I can get some Leaf guys out of this, but don't really know, like I said, the pairings in this set, because I haven't really opened too much of it yet, but that's a nice start. I just like future watch autos. I just like the set. It's not too bad. Got the Leafs game on right now. Tied 2-2 still. Hopefully they can buckle down here and finish up and get a win over Columbus. Let's see what we got in our second pack. Oh, got a Young Gun update of Joseph Grammarosa. It's alright. More base. So we're doing this live on Facebook now, and this is live up on the page for those who've stopped to check it out. There's been a couple people I see, a couple guys still watching. I'm gonna load this on the YouTube channel later, guys. I'm getting that going, so make sure to check that out. Got another Spectrum. Ooh, it's not bad. Nice Spectrum of John Quenneville. That's our second Spectrum of the box. As well as Johnny Gaudreau, Mr. Johnny Hockey. Johnny Ham and Cheese for those that know the reference. Alright. Getting into the middle of the box here, guys. So. Oh. Very, very nice. That's a good hit. Zach Werenski, inscribed. Number 5. Try to get that right up close to the camera. Very, very nice auto. Oh, that's a nice feature watch. I'm happy with that pull. That's very nice. Not the biggest Werenski fan, but hey. Number 5, inscribed. Can't say I've pulled very many of those out. Get that top loader. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. Not a bad hit at all. I'm pretty happy with that. Number 5. Inscribed. So, not a bad, terrible box so far. Let's see what else we find. Got an Authentic Moments. Marian Hossa, 500 career goals. Let's see what else we can find. I really do like that Werenski inscribed though. That's really nice. Guys, how's it going? I see we got a couple more guys that have tuned in to watch. What's going on, guys? Just doing a little personal break. Stop by any of our local guys here in Cambridge area that know our good buddy Jason Murphy. Stop by his place to grab a box. Decided to go live, see what we get. Got a nice silver skate to Jimmy Vesey. Not too bad. Alright, so yeah, about halfway. Almost halfway through the box. Still got a bit to go here. Still a good chance to pull some heat. See what else we get. Looks like another silver skates. Oh, there we go. Can always like that as a Leafs fan. Silver skates of Mitch Marner. Not too bad, not too bad. Sorry guys, I know a lot of people just flick through after they get their hit. I just like to look through. You never know what you can find. It's been a couple times I've missed exclusives and stuff in the Series 1s and Series 2, so I always like to double check. As you never know. Another update. I'm not even going to try to pronounce his name. There we go. So guys, just a little quick heads up while we're going here. I am going to be posting up the next break. I'm going to be ordering up a master case of 1819 Series 1. So I'll be posting that this week. And just keep an eye out for that. If anyone wants a tag, it's got a poll up for what kind we want to do, whether pick your team or team random. Another update card here, Victor Stahlberg. Yeah, no, I was really hoping to pull some nice Leaf cards out of here. That's what I was hoping for. Authentic Moments, Joe Thornton. Matt, yeah, I did, so far, got 2 autos. Werenski. 5 out of 99 inscribed. Got Tyler Mote, Future Watch as well. That's about it. Got a couple of Spectrum cards as well. Johnny Gaudreau and John Quenneville, but the rest have been updates and a Young Gun and what else we get there? A couple of Silver Skates and stuff like that. So nothing crazy. Ooh, Mr. Johnny T. Silver Skates. So guys, got about 4 packs left here by the looks of it. 4 packs left to try and pull some heat. Make sure you guys head over to the YouTube channel afterwards if you want to check it out. Check out the hits again and oh, very nice. Jake Kuznetsov. Young Gun, very, very nice. Happy with that. It's a decent pull. I always forget he was an update. Very nice. So guys, yeah, make sure you head over to the YouTube channel and subscribe, and make sure you hit that like button. Gonna be posting and sending all our break videos over there, so head over there afterwards and check it out. Down to the last 3 packs in this box, so see what we get. Ooh, there we go. Authentic Moments. Connor McDavid. Ryan, yeah, that Jake Kuznetsov Young Gun, yeah. Is he $100 usually with raw, or is that like $100 graded? That's I'd be curious to know that. Don't really know what his raw one sells for. Might have to do a Raz after this. Alright guys, so second last pack here. Let's see what we get. 16-17 SP Authentic. Got another Authentic Moments here. Carey Price. Alright guys, so last pack. Over 16-17 SP Authentic. Not a terrible box. Not exactly what I was hoping for, but not the worst box. Got a Carter Hutton update, and that's it. Yeah, so yeah, not the greatest box of 16-17 SP Authentic, but you know, not terrible. Not terrible. Our big hits were pretty decent. I'll go through those now. Got Tyler Mote, Future Watch Auto, 885 out of 999. Not too bad. We got the Werenski inscribed, number 5. I like that one. Got the Jake Kuznetsov Young Gun. Also not too bad. Got the Kramer Rosa update Young Gun as well. And then yeah, for Spectrums, we got a couple of Spectrum cards there as well. Johnny Gaudreau and John Quenneville. So yeah, not terrible. Not terrible. I was hoping for a little better, but yeah, we'll see what happens in the future, guys. Maybe try to look at getting another one and see what happens. So there's a couple more of the smaller hits there. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. So yeah, like I said, check out our YouTube channel. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. We'll be posting more stuff like this box breaks, personal breaks, just, you know, try to get some just general hockey card stuff going on just to keep it going. So check us out on YouTube, guys. All right, thanks for tuning in. Cheers, guys. Thanks.